What? A tool out of that? Yes, you can make a tool out of that. We all know what bottle that is, right? How about that tool? You can tell I've used it a while. Watch. This is how, I already broke that loose. This is how you don't make a mess changing your oil filter. Isn't that special? I thought so. Alright, here's a little better shot of it, and it'll hold your oil filter, go right in there and just let it drain a little bit, and then you can wipe it all off and clean it up. Let me go dump that out, and then I'll give you a little better picture of what I did to make it. Okay, see how I cut that? Just wanted you to get a good look at it. It works good. Anyway, thank you for watching. Click that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Share these videos if you like. Have a great day, folks. We appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe out there.